Now, if you've pre-ordered the Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at cases that you can order now for your Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at cases that are available now for order for the Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. We're also going to do a wireless charging test, and we're going to look at how it fits on a Google Pixel 4 XL. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now the first case we're going to take a look at is the Solid Flex Crystal. This is a TPU case that has bumpers on each side. So what we're going to do is put our phone in it right now. See what this looks like. We'll turn it off. And first thing that you'll notice is that it has great screen protection. So the lid comes up pretty high all the way around it. You have bumper protection on each side. You'll notice here we have our cutouts are nice and generous. You have over here a pinhole mic. The buttons, everything aligns well. If we look at the camera, you also have good protection for the lens itself and that angle, so it has enough material. And then you can see right here how the bumpers come out. That's really nice as well. Now, this phone, let's go ahead and unlock it, has a squeeze feature that enables like the Google Assistant. So what I'm going to do is just press this side to see if it works. And you'll notice how it came up. And this is using the standard setting, so I haven't adjusted it. So the next thing we're going to do is test the wireless charging. Now from a wireless charging perspective, we'll go ahead and place it in place, and you notice that the wireless charging works too. Now the next case we're going to take a look at is the Lgion Case. And the Lgion Case is a two material case, polycarbonate with TPU, and you notice it has kind of like a carbon fiber look on the sides. You can see the inside how it has this pattern that's really going to help with disbursement of any kind of impact. I'm going to go ahead and put my Pixel in it. Just snap it into place like this so we can see all the features. And you can notice that this one is has some really nice robust protection. You can see how much the lip here going all the way around the phone, how high it is. You notice how the buttons are very pronounced, so they come on, they're easy to find. You'll notice here how the cutouts, and you can see how much material is there based on that cutout right there. So everything aligns nicely there. There's really nothing here to worry about. And then as we look at here, the pinhole mic is there. Looking at the back, this has extreme camera lens protection. Notice how much material is cut out here. So this is going to be nice. And then you can see how that carbon fiber is highlighted. The one thing we're going to test is also the squeeze feature. And it works as well. Now the next feature we're going to test is the wireless charging. So we're going to put it on the wireless charger. And you notice that it charges as well. Now the last case we're going to take a look at is the Skyfall. And you'll notice the Skyfall has two parts. Polycarbonate frame all the way around it, and then it has the see-through TPU, but it's a carbon fiber back, and it has like some TPU material throughout it. So it's a combination, which is pretty nice. I'm going to go ahead and put my phone in it, just snap it in just like that. Do it on each side. And then the first thing we'll take a look at is the screen protection. Notice in an angle here, great screen protection going all the way around. You'll notice that it has all the appropriate cutouts. See how that looks right there, and how it looks right here with the pinhole mic. And here are your buttons, and yeah, buttons feel good. So that's going to be easy to access. And if I press it, it turns the phone on and off. Camera does a really nice job of protecting the camera in the back. You can see that lens protection is good. And also the back here may be hard to tell, but it's actually raised. There's a lip that comes up that raises the frame above the back. So that's going to give you some extra protection. It looks really sharp. I like the way these two colors look together. So everything looks pretty nice there. And what we're going to do is we're going to unlock the phone, and then we're going to try that squeeze feature. And let's do it one more time. Oh, that one's a little harder. So this frame, you would have to modify. So we're going to squeeze a little bit harder. Yeah. So with this one, there it goes. Let's do that one more time. We'll end this for a second. Power it up. And we'll squeeze again. All right, so it works. I was grabbing a little bit too low. So that works, and that's really good. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to wirelessly charge. Put it in place. We'll move it a little bit, make sure it charges. And we'll do this one more time. There it goes. And it wirelessly charges too. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Caseology line of cases for the Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL. Let me know which one is your choice. We're going to have links to the latest prices in the description area, and I think I'm going to go with this one. This is going to be my choice for my Google Pixel 4 XL. Would love to hear from you.